This is room 404 on the 4th floor at the Remington.
Sorry, I'm not going to say anything.
You can.
The bathtub is so nice.
Oh, so maybe you want this one.
Well, I think I like the closet better. But
Yeah.
the bathroom's really nice.
Okay, these have these leather chairs. Nice seating area. A view of rooftops. Nice little kitchenette. Even a freezer part, so that's kind of cool. Oh, nice bathtub. And big walk-in shower with a nice rain shower head. Double vanity. Very cool. Here are the products. And I did use those products. They smell very good. Let's see. And I just want to check and see for USB ports. Let's see what they have. They don't really have USB ports in the bedroom area, so you probably have to bring your own stuff.